How to turn off VPN on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, scroll down to the end and tap on VPN and Device Management. Here, tap on VPN. As you can see, VPN is already connected. Here, turn off the VPN status feature at the top. You can turn off any VPN straight from here without having to open the application of the VPN you're using. This way, you can enhance your experience with the device. Following these steps, you can easily turn off VPN on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.